Hey there, fellow investors. If you're tired of the basic Robinhood features and want to level up with Robinhood Gold, you've come to the right video. Robinhood Gold is a premium subscription that gives you perks like higher instant deposits, better interest on your cash, and advanced market data. It's a game changer for serious traders, and applying is easier than you think. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Robinhood account. If you don't, download the app and sign up. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, open the Robinhood app on your phone or head to the website on your computer. Look for the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. That's your gateway to upgrades. Next, tap on Robinhood Gold in the menu. You'll see an overview of what Gold offers, including the subscription costs, which start at around $5 a month. Take a moment to read through the benefits and fees so you know exactly what you're signing up for. If it sounds good, hit the Upgrade to Gold button. Now, you'll need to choose your payment method. Robinhood accepts linked bank accounts or debit cards for the subscription fee. Select your preferred option and confirm the details. Before you proceed, double-check that you're eligible. Most users are, but if you're new, you might need to verify your identity. Once everything looks good, hit Subscribe or Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email and see the changes in your app right away. That's it. You're now a Robinhood Gold member. Remember, you can cancel anytime if it doesn't suit your needs. Applying for Robinhood Gold can boost your investing game, but always invest wisely. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.